Remember the good old days when part-time jobs were a rite of passage? Well, things have changed, but the importance of having your own side gig hasn't. Join us today as we dive into 15 awesome side hustles for teenagers. Not only will these gigs put extra cash in your pocket, but they'll also teach you valuable life skills and set you up for success. Ready to rock your side hustle journey? Smash that subscribe button and hit like as we explore the perfect gigs for teens. Number 1. App development for local businesses. Teenagers who are good with smartphones and computers can create simple apps for nearby small businesses like restaurants or shops. These apps could have helpful features like showing the menu, letting customers order online, or offering loyalty rewards. It's a great opportunity because it helps young people learn how to write computer code and manage a project. Plus, it's a win-win because these apps can also help local businesses get more customers. So it's a way for teens to learn and help out their community at the same time. Number 2, barista. A barista is someone who works at a place where they make and serve coffee and other drinks. It's a good job because you usually get to work a set number of hours, so you know how much money you'll make. Plus, you learn important skills like talking to people, paying attention to details, and making drinks. These skills can help you in other jobs later on, like when you go to college and beyond. So, being a barista can be a great start for your career. Number 3, camp counselor. A camp counselor is someone who helps run activities at a camp, like a summer camp. It can be a super fun job, especially if you used to be a camper yourself. You get paid to have fun with the kids and lead games and activities. It's a perfect side job for teenagers who enjoy working with groups of kids and are passionate about the camp's activities. There are different types of camps, like sports, learning, and outdoor adventure camps, so you can find one that matches your interests. Number 4, cashier. This job is good for teens because you can find cashier jobs in different types of stores, like grocery stores, hardware stores, or retail shops. It's a good side job because you often get to work a regular schedule, like after school or on weekends, and you know how much you'll earn. But it can be tiring because you'll be on your feet a lot. On the bright side, you'll learn how to talk to people and become familiar with the store's products and services, which can be useful skills for the future. Number 5, umpire or junior referee. Being an umpire or junior referee is like being the person who makes sure everyone follows the rules in sports games. If you really enjoy sports and know the rules, well, this can be a great part-time job. It's especially good if you want to stay active because you'll need to be in good shape to keep up with the players on the field or court. Plus, it can be a step toward a career as a professional referee or umpire, which is someone who officiates in big league games. Working as a junior referee can help you learn important skills that will be useful in the future. Number 6, tutor older people about tech. Teens are usually very comfortable with technology because they've grown up with it. If you're patient and good with tech, you can help older people learn how to use things like smartphones and computers. You might teach them basic stuff like how to make video calls like FaceTime or manage email. And if you're really tech savvy, you could even help them with more advanced things like playing games on a computer. It's a helpful way to share your tech knowledge and assist older folks who might find these things confusing. Number 7, fast food worker. Working in fast food means you take people's orders, make their food, keep things clean, and do other tasks in the restaurant. It can be a good start if you're interested in working in the food industry. You'll also learn important skills like how to be friendly to customers, how to work hard, show up on time, and have a positive attitude. These skills can help you in future jobs and show that you're a responsible and dependable worker. Number 8, catering. Your job can include getting food ready, bringing it to the event, and serving it to guests. To do well in this job, you should really enjoy food and be good at staying organized and paying attention to details. Once you start working with a catering company, you might find yourself busy on weekends and some evenings because events often happen then. It can be a fun way to earn money if you like food and enjoy helping make celebrations special. Number 9, outdoor work. Outdoor work includes jobs like mowing lawns, washing cars, cleaning up leaves, shoveling snow, or helping with gardening. These are great choices for teenagers because you can often do them when it's convenient for you. Most of these tasks can wait until the weekend, so you won't have to rush. Even shoveling snow can sometimes wait, or you can do it early in the morning before school if you can manage. It's a good way to earn money while working on your own schedule and getting some fresh air. Number 10. Get crafty. If you have a hobby like making art, crafts, or cooking, you might be able to turn it into a side job and earn some money. If you're into cooking, make sure to follow the rules about selling food, like getting the right licenses. But what's great about these hobbies is that you can work at your own speed. For example, you can create art or craft items and sell them online whenever you have time. If it's cooking, you can take orders in advance for a specific amount of time or product so you don't get overwhelmed. It's a cool way to make money doing something you love. Number 11. Put up signs for local realtors. Putting up signs for local realtors means you help them by placing signs in front of houses that are for sale or on busy streets to advertise open houses. It's a side job that can pay you a decent amount of money. What's even better is that by doing this job, you might get to know the real estate agents. And this could lead to more opportunities. They might offer you a job in their office in the future because they know you're reliable and good at helping them with their signs. Number 12. Sell old clothes. Selling old clothes is about making money by getting rid of clothes you no longer wear or need. You can do this by using websites like Depop or Poshmark. To be successful, it's important to take high-quality photos of the clothes you want to sell because good pictures attract more buyers. If you choose to use Depop's shipping service, they'll provide you with a shipping label, so your job is to take pictures of the clothes, pack them up, and drop the package off at the post office. It's a straightforward way to earn extra money with minimal hassle. Number 13. Sell your creative services. If you're good at something creative, you can use your skills to make money by freelancing. For example, if you like making art, you can sell your designs on a website like Etsy. If you play an instrument, you can offer music lessons. If you're a photographer, you can take pictures at events or for graduation portraits. The key is to use your talents and hobbies to offer services to others, and as people find out about your skills, you can earn money by doing what you love. It's a way to turn your passion into a side job. Number 14. Take on sitting jobs. Taking on sitting jobs like babysitting, house sitting, or pet sitting can be a great way for teenagers to earn some extra money. You can find these opportunities by checking local Facebook groups where parents are often looking for babysitters or someone to take care of their home while they're away. Websites like Rover are also excellent for finding pet-sitting gigs. For instance, you could get paid for walking an older dog or looking after pets when their owners are away, and you can earn up to $20 an hour for dog services. It's a flexible and rewarding way to make some cash, especially if you like kids or animals. Number 15. On-demand delivery driver. Being an on-demand delivery driver is all about using a smartphone app to deliver things like coffee or pizza to people. To do this, you'll need a driver's license and a good driving record. What's really good for teens is that this job is flexible. When you have a busy schedule, like studying for exams, you can work less. And when you have more free time, you can work more hours to earn extra money. It's a job that can easily fit around your other commitments. So, there you have it. 15 fantastic side hustles for teenagers that can kickstart your journey to success. Before we wrap up, I have one more important question for you to answer in the comments below. Which side hustle from our list resonates with you the most, and why? Your insights can inspire others on their hustle journey, so don't hesitate to share. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.